Hello and welcome to this non-verbal reasoning question. You will get these type of questions as well within non-verbal reasoning questions, and this is in this particular question we are given a series of patterns and codes, and what we need to do is to find the matching code. We have to find the code and its matching pattern. So what is the code for this particular pattern? So we need to do that by looking very carefully at these particular patterns and finding something that they have in common with one another. And by doing that, then we can work out what the possible code could be for that particular pattern. So let's look at anything that they have in common. Well, actually, if we look at, we first need to scan across all of these codes, and we can see that these two start with the letter A. So what do these two have in common? Well, they have in common this square circle with this round circle with another smaller round circle within it at the top. That's the same here, so maybe that's what they have in common for A. If we then look at this particular one, we can see that this is the same as this one, because the round circle, the smaller round circle, is at the bottom. So in that case, the first letter of this particular code should be C, because it was A for these two, so it should be C because that's the first letter here, for here, because that was the first letter that was being used there was A, and that seemed to refer to these circles. So the first letter here, which refers to this sort of particular shape, is C. The first letter is C. The second letter that I'm looking for, well, this is a triangle, and I can see that both of these have squares and they both end with E. So this one ends with a D because it's a triangle. So this is a triangle, it should end with a D as well. So the answer is CD, which is option D in this particular case. I hope that made sense to you. Watch this video very carefully again if you didn't understand it, but it does require a good looking through in order to determine what the answer could be. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.